Okay, go stand up. Go to make a boat. Tyler. You see Tyler? You're going to make it a boat. Yes, let's go make the boat.
Open it.
Okay, we're gonna open it. Mash the saltfish. You're gonna put your hand in it and get it as fine as possible. You guys, I'm teaching babe how to make ackee and saltfish. Mash it, mash it.
Yeah,
don't be afraid to do that. Do that. Mash it up in your hand.
Hot?
It's hot?
Yeah.
No, it's not hot.
Of course it is.
You're chicken. And while you're doing that, you're going to make sure that there's no bone, because you can find bone along the way. Let me see it now. Okay, that's mashing up. You're gonna throw that out into this. Come, take your spoon and throw it out. Or you can even use your hand. Everything, just everything, babe. Just dump it out in it. Baby, everything. Don't be afraid to throw it in there. You're so gentle. Baby, everything. You're not taking care of the food right now, okay? Rough it up, man. Rough it up. He's so gentle, Lord. Rough it up, baby, man. Sure. Yeah, mix that up now with the spoon. Put down the pan. Mix that in. Right. That needs some more oil, so I'm going to throw some more oil in the pot. Okay, mix that up. You can turn up at the stove. Alright, now you're gonna throw in your ackee. All over it. No, this is the one you need to be gentle with. All over it, honey. All over the pot. Everything, my love.
I'll do everything. Don't worry.
Okay, you're going to put some black pepper. So you're going to open this and put your finger and take one finger of black pepper and sprinkle over it like this.
Like this?
Yes. Right. Okay, because we're using tin ackee, I want you to dash a little salt over it. Yes, baby. Okay, that's enough. And because it's tin ackee, I don't want you to use a spoon anymore. Now I want you to get a fork to mix the ackee into the saltfish. Tell her out of the kitchen, Papa cooking. Mix the saltfish into the ackee into the saltfish. So you're trying not to mash the ackee.
Mama.
Yes, baby. Papa cooking ackee. Yes, baby, that's the mix. You're doing well.
It's just mixing.
Mm-hmm.
It's just mixing.
Alright, what you're gonna do now is stop mixing. Turn down the stove and close the pot for a few seconds, and then your ackee is ready. Yes, Tyler?
Mama.
Yes, Tyler? You want kiwi? What's the magic word? What's the magic word?
Pizza.
Okay.
Pizza, Mama.
Yes, baby. Mama gonna peel it for you, okay? Out of the kitchen. Mama going to carry the kiwi for you. Go. Go. Hi, Fibs. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning.
Good morning.
Good afternoon and good night, you guys. I was just showing Babe how to make ackee and saltfish real quick because you finished eating the kiwi already? I just finished working out and I realized that's a little bit late for Babe to have breakfast. So I just jumped in the kitchen and showed him how to do breakfast real quick, and he made ackee and saltfish, so that's really cool for the first time.
I didn't really make it, I just finished make it.
I showed you what to do.
She is modest.
I showed you what to do, no?
Yeah.
The hardest part for him would be the saltfish. So I did the saltfish and he did the rest. Or cutting the I basically prepped the seasoning and showed him what to do. But I think he got the concept. You'll be able to make it the next time by yourself?
With you beside me, yeah.
Okay. Next time you'll do everything all by yourself. No. You're not that confident? No, with me beside you, you won't be able to do everything by yourself?
Yeah, I can try.
You can do it. He just hate cutting things because he's awkward cutting things.
Oh.
But he can do it anyway. If it's a case where he used to do it because he cooked for me, like when I was pregnant, Babe make the best. Babe make the best liver and rice.
If I don't have choice, I will.
And he make a very good stew chicken too. I did work out this morning while Babe was completely being a housewife. He folded the laundry, he tidied up the house, and I got a full-on workout in lift weights, run the whole 9 yards. Thank you.
You did the man and I did the...
Well...
Nah, there's no such
Well,
things.
if you want to call it that.
There's no such things.
And yeah, teamwork make the dream work.
You can't stay watching TV when the other one is walking, so...
That's true.
Yeah.
You're a good husband. You're a dream husband.
I tried to do.
Anyway, you guys, workout's done, breakfast is ready. Now Baby's gonna have breakfast while I jump in the shower and get fresh, and then I'll have breakfast later. But yeah, hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Enjoy today's vlog and we'll catch you guys later. No? Bye guys.
Make it a boot.
Okay, go stand up. Go, gonna make a boat. Tyler. You see Tyler?
Make it a boot.
You're going to make it a boat?
And then make it a boot.
Yes, let's go make the boat.
Open it.
Okay, we're gonna open it. You guys, this is all Tyler and I do all day. Play.
The house.
Show them the house. Put it here and they'll see it. No, not like that. Hold it. He's showing you that he just made a house. You ready to do some more? You want to do the boat?
A boat.
Okay, let's make it a boat.
I make it a plane.
And a plane. And your toddler just chat. Mm? Okay. Oh. You hit it. You hit it. Oh, let Mama kiss it. Mwah, hush. You hit your head. Hush, baby, hush. Which one you doing? You're doing the boat? Okay, cut the boat. Press. Hard. More. Press. Bravo.
This one.
Yeah. Wow! You make a cute little boat. Bravo.
The car.
You want to make it a car?
A car.
A car. Okay, let's make a car.
A
You want to make a papa car?
Papa.
Okay, let's make papa car. Let me give you some more dough.
Mr. Madu.
Yes, more dough, Mama. So give you more dough so you can make the car.
Mama,
Yes.
I'll drive a car.
You're going to drive the car?
I'll drive a car.
You haven't said morning to the faves all day. Say morning, faves.
I'll drive a car.
Can you say morning, faves?
I'll drive a car.
Yes, drive the car. Say morning, faves.
When you fast, I'll drive a car.
Yes, you're driving the car. Okay, make the car with this one. Press. More. Strong. Roar. Use your carrot muscles. Roar. Push. Carrot muscles, broccoli muscles. Bravo. Whoa.
Car.
Let Mama see. Ooh, Tyler.
Do the fire.
You want to do the flowers?
The fires.
Okay, let's do the flowers. But let's mix them together so we can do a big flowers.
Fire.
Yeah.
The mama fires.
You want to give Mama flowers? You're a sweet boy. Tyler flowers? A Tyler flowers?
Mama fires.
A Mama flowers. Heart muscles roar. Say roar. Roar. Push. Use your hand like this. Push. Carrot muscle. Broccoli muscle. Carrot muscle. Broccoli muscle. Bean muscle. Push. Roar. Bravo. Okay. You're eating the apple? What? Yeah, let's see, you said eating. Okay, carrot muscle, broccoli muscle. Push, bean muscle. Push. Say, You guys, comment down below and tell me what you guys think. Yeah, should we make a YouTube channel for Tyler doing all these fun things? Would you guys watch Tyler doing all these things? You want to make a tree next? Okay, we're gonna make a tree next. Should we do a kids YouTube channel for Tyler? Tell me if you guys would subscribe and watch Tyler with all his excitement and doing all this fun stuff. He's having so much fun. Look at him. Car tree. What? So these are the ones that he's made so far. Show them the ones you made so far.
Make it a tree.
You made this one. What is this?
Fire.
Flowers. Yes. You made this one. What is this?
Apple.
Yeah. You made this one. What is this?
Car.
Yeah. You made this one. What is this?
Plane.
Plane. Very good. And what is this one?
Car.
Yeah. And what is this one?
Boat.
Yes. And what is this one?
Horse.
Yeah. And what is this one?
Terrain.
Yeah. And now Papa gonna ask you them in French.
Qu'est-ce que c'est que ça? C'est quoi?
Bateau.
Ça. Bateau, very good.
It's a map.
Et ça, c'est quoi?
Avion.
Bravo.
Repeat the word.
Avion, good job. Et ça, c'est quoi?
Maison.
Maison, très bien. Ah, et ça, c'est quoi?
Pomme.
Une pomme, bravo. Et ça, c'est quoi?
Étoile.
Une étoile, bravo. Et ça, c'est quoi?
Voiture.
Voiture, très très bien. Et ça, c'est quoi?
Une fleur.
Fleur, très 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 bien. Baby's just beside me. She making dinner and it looks yummy. Yummy, yummy, yummy. What you making?
Festival.
You're making some festival?
Don't ask me why I'm making so much festival.
Oh, because you want to make festival for the entire week. We have guests?
No, it's just... Okay guys, dinner is ready for the crew. Tyler yogurt is in here. That's a babe. And that's moi. Grub time. Damn, my forehead shine like bongo brush.
Shine bright like Gangnam brush.
Bongo brush. That's
Bongo
going to be the
brush.
Jamaican expression. As it comes out my mouth, my hair look terrible. Bongo brush. Just like I said, my forehead shine like bongo brush. Bongo in Jamaica, we refer to bongo as a Rasta man. So they say that Rasta man, they're very clean. They say Rasta men, they're very clean and they always walk with broom and brushes because there's a sign of them showing their cleanliness. And brush is something that we use to shine our floor in Jamaica to make it shine and pretty. You don't want to step on a Jamaican floor after they just shine it. You and them will have
Bongo brush.
So I said my forehead shine like a bongo brush because it's very clean.
Rastafari.
Yes, bongo brush.
A bongo brush.
Yes, it's a Rastaman broom or brush.
Okay.
So there you have the Jamaican expression for today. So somebody face shine, forehead
if you
shine.
hear someone tell you you're shining like a bongo brush.
I mean, you're very sparkly, you're very shiny, you're glistening.
Ding!
Ding! Yes.
And you see stars in your teeth.
Right.
The French expression for today is être une poule mouillée. Is to be a wet chicken. I think in English you just say to be chicken in terms of a cow. In French we don't say a chicken, we say a wet chicken. We add in wet.
Okay.
Don't ask me why. So if you are a poule mouillée, a wet chicken means you are big cow.
Okay. Être une poule mouillée.
Right. Poule is a female chicken.
Okay.
Not a man chicken.
Alright, you guys. There you guys have the French expression and the Jamaican expression for today.
Yo,
you
poule
get
mouillée?
it? You get it?
Make sure you get it.
No, I'm not.
Okay. She is a poule mouillée. When she see did you watch the vlog when she had the crocodile when she saw the big iguana lizard things? She was a
Well,
big
I'm not going to fight you over that. Yes, when I see lizard and crocodile, I am a coward and that won't ever change. Anyway, you guys, as you guys can see my eyes, I'm tired, but first I'm going to drink a long glass of sorrow before I go to bed. Give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, catch up and keep up. We love you guys. Make sure you guys subscribe and turn on your notifications, and we'll see you in tomorrow's vlog.
Bye guys.